I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace designed for notes, tasks, and comprehensive project management, often used by teams. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a powerful, local-first knowledge base, perfect for building interconnected notes and personal knowledge graphs. Your choice largely depends on whether you prioritize an integrated, collaborative system or a highly customizable, private knowledge repository. We will explore their core differences and help you decide. Notion truly shines with its robust database functionalities, allowing users to create intricate systems for tracking projects, managing content, and organizing data with remarkable flexibility. It excels in collaboration, enabling multiple team members to work on pages simultaneously, fostering seamless teamwork. Its web-based nature and extensive library of templates make it incredibly accessible and easy to share information across an organization, making it a powerful tool for collective efforts. Obsidian's strength lies in its local-first approach, storing all your notes as plain text markdown files. This ensures complete data ownership and future-proof access to your information, regardless of platform changes. Its unique graph view visually represents the intricate connections between your notes, fostering deeper understanding and discovery of ideas. Furthermore, a vast and active plugin ecosystem allows for extensive customization, enabling users to tailor the tool to their exact personal knowledge management workflows. To decide which is better for you, consider your primary needs. Choose Notion if you require a collaborative, all-in-one solution for teams, encompassing project management, task tracking, and shared documentation. Opt for Obsidian if your priority is personal knowledge management, ensuring data ownership, and building a deeply interconnected web of ideas. Ultimately, the best tool aligns with your specific workflow, whether it's for team collaboration or individual knowledge cultivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.